Neighborhood of a point. Definition of neighborhood of point is a set A, subset of real line, is said to be neighborhood of a point A belongs to this set A, right? If there exists an open interval I such that A belongs to I and I subset of A. So this is the definition. Let's just have an idea about like how it goes. Okay. For example, consider this is the real line. Okay, and A is the point. So here I am talking about like there exists an open interval of I. So what is this open interval? Open interval is of the form of A minus epsilon and A plus epsilon, where epsilon is greater than 0. So basically, as it names this, like say, neighborhood is what? Like the things which are related to, like if I'm having point A, its neighborhood will be this. Yes. So in the same way, I'm considering for A, the interval of the form like A minus epsilon and A plus epsilon. Okay, that will be the interval. Okay, open interval. So that is all about neighborhood. Basically, for A, there is an interval, open interval of the form A minus epsilon and A plus epsilon contained in this set A. This A is what? A is subset of R. Then we will say this set A is neighborhood of this point A. Okay. The other definition for this is like basically if you are calling for neighborhood of a point, then there exists an epsilon greater than 0 such that A belongs to the interval A minus epsilon, A plus epsilon contained in A. Then this set A will be called as neighborhood of what? This point A. Okay. So basically neighborhood is nothing, just we are having a point A. The distance in this direction will be called as open interval, and that open interval basically consists of point A. Yes. So that is the concept behind neighborhood. Next we will do the notes and examples.